Hi guys, so today is Thursday. I am just staying home today. I'm having a sick day. I'm not feeling very good. I caught a cold. I think I caught Madison's cold, but of course there's still some things that I want / need to get done. I'm not feeling like absolutely terrible. I don't have a fever, so I don't feel right just like completely bumming it. So yeah, I actually just gave Chase a bath because I didn't give him a bath last night because I was just feeling so awful last night. So yeah, I gave him a bath this morning, so that's done, and now it's lunchtime, so I'm going to feed him lunch, and then I'm going to get started just doing a few things. But first I'm going to put some oil in my diffuser thingy. I think there's one that's supposed to be good for colds. I have to look up and see which one it is, but I'm going to do that first. I just put Chase down for a nap. Now I gotta get some stuff done, and just ignore the fact that I'm wearing pajama pants. I changed my shirt into a sweatshirt, but I'm still wearing pajama bottoms. First thing I need to do is take down this shower curtain. I have two shower curtains. I got one for the outside of the tub and one that stays inside of the tub. And the one that stays inside of the tub is so yellow on the bottom. I don't know if it's coming up that yellow on the camera, but it's pretty yellow. It's the worst I think it's ever been. It will normally get yellow just from like water and stuff, but it's just like really yellow in this house for some reason. I think there's like more minerals or something. Anyway, I'm going to take it down and try to bleach it maybe, or like soak it in like bleach and water and see if I can get it clean, or maybe I'll just run it through the wash with some bleach and some water. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to take it down. I decided to soak it first. I'm going to soak it first, then I'll wash it. So I'm going to make some lunch. I'm just making some chicken noodle soup. Maybe it'll make me feel better. Okay, so apparently I have a slight temperature, nothing major, just like 100. I was wondering why I was starting to feel like hot and sweaty. I might take this off. So I don't know how much more I'm gonna do right now. I just want to relax a little bit while he's sleeping. I probably have another like half an hour. So I'm just gonna sit on the couch, chill out for a little bit, and continue this later. There's not too much more I want to do, but there is still some more I want to do. But I'll do that after he wakes up. I don't want to spend his entire nap doing work. So I got to rest for like 10 minutes before Chase woke up. Yay, 10-minute rest. And now Madison's home from school. They both had snacks. They're in the living room. I gotta do homework with Madison in a little bit. But I just need to do a little bit of work in the kitchen. One thing I wanted to do today was just take the Lysol and just... What are you yelling about? Just take the Lysol and just go over like the knobs, like the areas that we touch a lot, just to kind of clean it up from any germs that might be on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
Everything's fine. Wouldn't expect any more from this. The situation's in line with every story that I heard of the burning bliss, and I wait, trying to appreciate, and I wait, trying to evaluate. Was it something that I did? Was it something that I couldn't quite handle right? An invitation to a thrill, a growing comfort that somehow it will be alright. And I wait, trying to appreciate, and I wait, wanting to accommodate.
What did you do? Oh, he didn't pull out all of them. Just some of them. It's not as bad as I thought it was. Did you pull out all of them? You pulled out quite a few. See, this is what happens when I try to clean. Can't clean. That is supposed to be up there. What'd you do? Huh? Get over here. You little stinker. I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing at all. Okay, kitchen is all clean for me to make a mess again at dinner time. Alright, so we had some dinner. I didn't eat yet. I'm gonna wait until they both go to bed to eat. I didn't even tell you guys that I had dinner going the whole day, and I'm really excited about it. I'm not gonna show you because it's always gonna steam up. I made chili in the crock pot, and I have some Fritos to dip in my chili. It's so good. Madison is working on her Valentine's for school. She's really excited. She's doing it all by herself. And I took some medicine before, so I'm feeling a lot better right now. I took some Tylenol, I took some Sudafed. So I'm feeling pretty good. I rinsed the shower curtain out and then I ran it through the wash, and it looks better. It's definitely not as yellow as it was, so that's good. It didn't come out like completely white, but that's alright. It definitely looks better than it did. So it's the next day now. I didn't finish everything that I wanted to do yesterday. I kind of figured that I wouldn't, but I started feeling so crummy towards the end of the night. I just edited my video and I went to sleep, and I just said, whatever, I'll just finish what I wanted to do today. I need to fold laundry, but before I do that, I need to clean up this disaster of a living room. Look at this. What did you do, bud? Hey, what did you do? What did you do in here? My goodness. just wanted some room so that I could do laundry and not step on a bajillion toys. So I'm just gonna fold these 2 baskets of laundry. I have one more in the dryer that I need to do, but I'll probably do that later when he's taking a nap or something. And that's pretty much all that I wanted to do in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys!